Hi everyone. In this video we are discuss image tags in HTML. HTML images syntax. The HTML tag is inside the angle bracket img. Tag is used to embed an image in a web page. Images are not technically inserted into a web page. Images are linked to the web page. The img tag creates holding a space for the referenced image. The img tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. The img tag has two required attributes. One is src, it specifies the path of the image. Another one is alt, that is alternate, specified an alternate text for the image. The syntax of the image tag is open the angular bracket, that is tag, img and src, that is source, is equal to address of the image, and suppose image is not displayed, then alternate is equal to alternate text, and close the angular bracket. The src attribute, the required src attribute specify the path URL to the image. Note, when a web page loads, it is the browser at the moment that gets the image from a web server and insert it into the web page. Therefore, make sure that the image actually stays in the same spot in relation to the web page. Otherwise, your visitors will get a broken link icon. The broken link icon and the alternate text are shown if the browser cannot find the image. This is the one of the example of the HTML tag images. Write the HTML tag and body tag and image tag. Inside the body write the image tag img src is equal to which image you are displayed, that address, and give the image extension is jpg. Suppose is any reason that image is not displayed, the alternate text is the display, and width and height with the pixels, and close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Image size and width can also be mentioned. You can use the style attribute to specify the width and height of an image. Thank you for watching the video.